Here's the news of the day.
Lockheed Martin delivered 10 S-70i Black Hawk helicopters to the Philippine Department of National Defense in 2024, part of a larger contract to enhance their fleet to 47 aircraft.
AFORMX launched the Tiaklet Sim project with the Slovenian Armed Forces, featuring VR and XR simulators for the Pilatus PC-9 and AS-532 Cougar helicopters to enhance military training.
Germany's Transport Ministry unveils a strategy to lead AAM, with air taxis starting in 2026 and nationwide operations by 2032.
Chris Rochlow is set to return as interim FAA chief amid leadership changes, bringing extensive expertise to address aviation safety challenges.
Move delivered 14,400 tons of SAF to major airlines in 2024, with its La Rabida Energy Park playing a key role in meeting EU decarbonisation mandates.
Powerhouse Energy is collaborating with Aviox on Project Eden, a pilot facility aiming to produce 200 tons of sustainable aviation fuel annually, using innovative gasification technology.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.